Hey guys, so today I'll be kind of doing a little review here on these Febreze vent clips. These are little air fresheners that you can put in your car. It's obviously made by Febreze, and they've been a really nice product, so I just want to tell everybody about them. I've been using these guys for quite some time, and they've been great. They last quite some time. They help to keep your car nice and fresh. A lot of times, I'm sure you guys know if you guys use Febreze in your homes. Just one main thing though is, just as a reminder, when you're keeping things clean, Febreze obviously a lot of times will kind of help mask the smells or whatever odors there are in there. So make sure, obviously, if your car smells really bad, you might want to wash it first. This is after it's been washed. If you want to maintain like a nice smell to it, then that's when this helps. All right, so you can get obviously you can get different packs. You can get single packs, you can get 2, 4, whatever. See whichever one is more convenient for the price. I bought the 4-pack because it was a little better, a little cheaper. So what they advertise right off the bat, you get the 4 clips. And supposedly these last for 120 days, because you can see here the little Febreze, the Febreze solution that's inside. I don't know about them. They will last, I would say, over 2 weeks or so on average. They're gonna come like this, and don't worry, they're not broken, I promise you. What you want to do is you're gonna want to push this forward, and when you do that, when you snap it forward, it's actually going to break the seal, and then that's pretty much where the smell is going to come out from. And then these will actually go on your vent. So the way that these work is actually, when you turn your vent on, it's gonna push that smell out, and you can pretty much just kind of go from there, and it smells really good. Right here in the front, this is how you adjust how big the opening is. Obviously, here to the very left, as you can tell, it's already closed. To the right is completely open, and you can experiment yourself and see how that works out. See whichever one works out best for you. But the main thing here is, so this is going to be plastic here on the side here, but the Febreze pack, when you feel it, can you guys hear it? Just make sure, obviously, to be careful with this. You don't want to be spilling the stuff everywhere, or if you do want to just get a quicker way out, and just go ahead and break it, punch it. I don't advise that. So this is gonna go into, I don't want to open it right now, because if I do, I'm gonna have to put it in the car, and I already have several of them in the car anyways. So these guys are gonna pretty much just smell really good in your car. What you can do a lot of times, what I do is actually put 2 of these in the car, so that way it can kind of maintain the fresh smell. I usually put it to the very smallest opening, because I don't want it to just completely be wasted. Well, my only concern about this is that this is kind of flimsy. See, so when you're driving, a lot of times this, the car moves up and down, things like that. This will actually kind of move around too, so you kind of want to be careful with that. I've noticed a lot of times that if I don't, if I forget about it, come back the next day, I notice it's completely open, and you'll actually notice the Febreze solution going down. So you will see this over time. This Febreze solution will go down. And obviously, they're only a one-time use. Much of a business if they were able to be refilled, but that solution here will go down. It's going to be very lightweight too, so that's at least it's not going to put a strain on your AC. What you can also do is you can put these, depending on your car and how many vents you have, you can actually place these things all over your car. It's usually gonna be advisable, especially if your car smells, or if you go around, if you have a dog. I personally have a dog, and this helps. I put it actually in the back, and it helps to kind of keep the the smells down, because he's an animal, so I don't want my whole car smelling a lot of times like an animal. One thing though that I would recommend is that when you do put this on, make sure to drive around with your windows open. Closed. Because if you drive around with your windows open, the smell is just gonna all go out, and that's obviously not going to be advisable. The nice thing is that if you do buy the bigger packs, it actually become cheaper, a lot cheaper actually. So the single ones are a lot more expensive. You just buy them by themselves, but if you buy them in a pack of 4, you might even get a better deal of more than 4. A lot of times the value, the price per unit is going to be very, very little. So that's what I would advise, obviously. So once again, these are the Febreze vent clips. Obviously, they go on your vent, and yeah, it's a pretty nice product. And if you want to freshen up your car, I highly recommend these. All right, thanks. Have a good one.